Good morning from the Protos newsroom. The date today is Thursday the 25th of February, and you're listening to the Protos Daily. These are the headlines this morning. JPMorgan has gone to space to test blockchain-powered payments. MicroStrategy has bought an additional $1 billion worth of Bitcoin, and Coinbase has revealed it's holding Bitcoin and other cryptos as part of its balance sheet. In time of publication, Bitcoin is trading just above $50,000. Solana has been the best performing top 20 crypto in the past day, up 6%, while Cosmos has been the worst, down 6% also.
American banking behemoth JPMorgan has gone above and beyond to drum up interest in its applications, testing blockchain-powered payments using satellites orbiting Earth. The Internet of Things is already a staple of the modern world, with so-called smart devices such as fridges, cars, phones and TVs already seamlessly integrated into our daily lives. Well, now JPMorgan wants to throw banking into the mix. The whole thing is a little over-the-top show to woo potential investors, with the bank eager to demonstrate payments in the most decentralized way possible. And it doesn't come more decentralized and detached from Earth than space. The term decentralized is used very lightly here. While running the node on a DLT system ticks a number of decentralized boxes, the distance part is just showboating. Turn up to the 11. True decentralization uses a network in which anyone can keep it going and change how it works, assuming that the majority of the network agrees. However, JP's personal blockchain arm, Anita Onyx, could, at the flick of a switch or change of code, completely change how its network operates. Don't you just love modern democracy? Michael Saylor is at it again, making another handsome bet on BTC, this time to the tune of around $1 billion. MicroStrategy has made similar purchases before, spending $650 million in December to bring its holding to more than 70,000 Bitcoin. Now that stack stands at 90,531 and is currently worth around $4.5 billion. Pretty good considering they've spent a total close to $2 billion on the currency. It comes as no surprise, as Saylor is incredibly bullish on Bitcoin, from praising it daily on Twitter to holding entire events and conferences designed to send smaller investors its way. As it stands, this latest investment is the second largest single acquisition of Bitcoin, just behind Tesla and its highly publicized $1.5 billion buy. Despite reports that the move may result in a drop in the value for MicroStrategy shares, it's clear that the allure of crypto is just too much to resist. Coinbase has revealed that it holds Bitcoin and other crypto assets as an investment on its balance sheet. Coinbase's Brett Tej-Paul wrote in a blog post on Wednesday that the company has held Bitcoin and other crypto since it was founded in 2012. He held back on disclosing how much, but the figure could be published in its Form S1, which is set to be made public ahead of the exchange's upcoming IPO. According to data from Bitcoin treasuries, crypto and non-crypto companies alike hold a combined total of $67 billion in Bitcoin on their balance sheets, with Coinbase itself helping some of the larger players acquire their coins. The block reports that Tesla, MicroStrategy and 5 other Fortune 500 companies buy through the exchange, something that Tej-Paul chalks up to its track record in security and 24/7, 365 white glove service. Coinbase may be blowing its own trumpet a little, but as it's set to be the first crypto platform to appear on the Nasdaq, we'll allow it. An ancient Bitcoin whale just flapped its fins for the first time in over a decade and moved 100 Bitcoin, worth just shy of $5 million. The transaction was picked up by Antoine Lecalvez, who tweeted that while it's unusual to see Bitcoin this old on the move, it's not likely to belong to Satoshi. But then that's just what he'd want you to think, right? Regardless of who owns the recently moved stash, it goes to show that what were previously minuscule trades now represent serious money. Market analysis firm Glassnode predicted in December 2020 that about 3 million Bitcoin, totaling around $147 million, is lost forever. And if that Bitcoin should suddenly wake up, it could send shockwaves through the market. So if that bloke in Newport eventually manages to dig out his missing hard drive, look out.
Thank you all for listening. If you'd like to stay up to date with the latest from the world of crypto, then make sure you subscribe to the Protos Daily on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, and all other major podcast providers.